this is a battery. I'm going to open the first time, and this one is a big one. I don't want to the big one. I want to the small one. I want the small one. Alright. Sorry guys, I'm using one hand. I focus out, and I want to open. Alright. Maybe. Sorry. Yes. That is good. This is I think my battery doesn't open because my laptop didn't open. I thought of this from the battery, CMOS battery. Alright. You saw the guys here. Everybody see the air. But I saw the battery. Alright. Yeah, successful. Alright, and yes. And I did. Yes. Later you do whatever you like. Put the tape. Later I am going to change this battery. Yeah. Alright. It's the things. Sorry for my second camera. I want to show guys how to do this one. Cutter. This one. Yes. This is most important. This is a big one. This is a small one. The small one is very important. Alright, the small one is very important. This makes the cutter. And another thing, so this is very important, you know. When open up, this also very important. Alright. Okay. And then we need this one. Measurement. Alright. And I have this one, but we don't need this one. Alright. Okay. Let's start. But I already opened the laptop. Alright. I just want to show. Alright, open. Yes. I opened the key. Yes. Okay. I already opened the screw. I want to make the shortcut for you guys. Alright. Okay. And you need to open the things. And if you want to open, then take the battery here. Battery is here. Alright. Oh, we have to cut these things, and for this you measure by this. Alright. And what are you know the area requirement. Open the area requirement. Yes. Yeah. Measurement is area requirement. Alright. And I show the another thing. This is exactly good measurement. You know this. This is the do measurement like this. It's very good because of if you want to take this still, then you can cut like this. Alright, you can cut like this, and you can make the first you can make the the line and the way. You make the the line and the way. After that, you use this one here. Yes, like this. Make the big the line. Make the big line. Alright. And then what is the most important things? And use this small one. This one is small one. Use small one, not big, not big, small one. This is a big one, not you big. Alright, and remove this one. Alright, and put, because I'll be using just one hand. Alright, and then you make the little bit like this. Also do like I made the hole, the hole, like hole, because I already opened the things, and I'm showing how I did this. I did this once. This is make the small hole. This is a little bit sharpness. Little bit sharpness. Hold on, my focus out. Yeah. This is a little bit sharpness. Yes, look. Alright, and I make the hole. Yeah, and use this one. Yeah, but I make the hole. Make the hole like this. Make this my small hole. Alright. Yeah, I already opened. I just want to show how I did. Then you remove this one and use big one. Yeah, this also good. Alright, look, yes, and then make like this. But I already open. Like a little bit side, slowly. Alright. And if it's feel hard, and sometimes you use this one for the deeper cut. For the deeper cut, you do like this, yeah, deeper cut. And you use again this one, like this. I just showing the the way how I did, because before I wanted to make to make sure it's possible or not. Open, yeah, alright. Small one. Sometimes small one. Hold. And edge requirements. And again change. And use big one. Alright. And then do like this. And this one. Use sometimes. Alright. This is a measurement. Some people do a small one, but I open the big one. How do you measurement this? Yeah. Do like this. This is you make this line. This, look how you do like this. Put like this, and you can make the straight line. Like I put the battery. Alright, battery makes the yes, yeah, battery have this one. This is a line I want to measure. This is the line. Alright, this one, and then if you put like this, yes, look, the straight line. This is a base, yes. Look, this is exactly measurement. Look, it's a perfect line, and then you use this one. First make the line, yeah. And then you first make the line everywhere. Like make the line, this one, left, and the right edge, right. You can take the base. You can take this line and bottom edge. This make first the line, small line, and then yes, this how I did measure. When the measure, don't use with, otherwise this will cut. Alright, this will cut otherwise. Yes. And yeah, I many times I repeat this one, little bit. Yeah, and sometimes this one, this deeper for the deeper cut. And then use the first. This is a big one. Don't use a big one first. otherwise yes, goes the wrong line. This one, alright, and put here. Use this one, this yeah, this one is small. And this have to do very cleverly, alright. This one, alright. And because why I did, if you want to open this, I have to open all these things. I have to mess with all those things. That's why I didn't open all those fucking things. I just got this one. If I want to open this, the cover, is have to open the everything. This I have to remove the everything, motherboard and all. I don't want to touch the motherboard. I don't want to mess the motherboard. That's why I did this one. Alright? Yeah, the directly open. These the things. I didn't open the no things. Look, just cut down this part. Alright. And I have to do the very cleverly. Just the things I put here. No many things. A small one, big one. Yes, this is just cutting part. I mean this this is just for the screw, but no need to. I already opened for the screw. These the things. And this the one scale cutter, paper cutter. Yeah, this one and a small one. That's the things. And this one, this is the most important. The wine opener, because this has a small. This do the open. This make the the big line. This cutter makes the deeper cut, and use this one for the the big cut. Like like this. First, this one my line, and make this line. This line. This is the big. Alright, and easy to open. Alright. Yes, and because I wanted to show. I did just experiment, and that's why I didn't open shoot the video before. And this when I successful, then I just record the video. And how I did, final I didn't use this is a small one, and I removed this one because this is good and strong. Otherwise, it don't break as well. Don't broke. That's why. And look, I show you how I did. Sorry, because I am using the one hand, by hand, left hand. Yes, and then I did open like this, and like this, and like this, and like this, and like this. Every part. Little by little, every part. If you do the like this, you can break the things. If you do the like start here with the thing. That's why, first small one you hold here, and you put here. You make 1, 2, and 3, like 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, like this. Make it small, and then after that you open like this. Here is guys, I did. Yes. This is the battery. This is the battery. This is a battery. I'm going to open the first time. And this one is a big one. I don't want to the big one. I want to a small one. Alright. Sorry guys. I'm using one hand. Let focus out, and I want to open. Alright. Maybe. Sorry. Yes. I think my battery doesn't open because my laptop didn't open. I thought of this for on the battery, seamless battery. Alright, you saw the guy, everybody see the air, and I saw the battery. Alright, yeah, successful. Alright, and yes, and yeah, I did. Yes, later you do whatever you like. Put the tape. Later I am going to change this battery. Yeah. Alright, it's the things. Sorry for my second camera. Alright guys, I have to, no need to speak, the video speaks itself. Alright, I changed this one. That's why I put. I'm using the one hand. Alright. Okay, I also remove this one because I believe this is a big hole, and this big hole, this one, but you got your requirements. Here is the lots of space because you have to cut on times. That's why it makes sure how much measure hole you need, like space, the big hole. Alright. Open your cut your because I got this line because this is the step is easy to measurement by the steel, or I don't know, steel, or I think aluminum escape. Yeah, this. Alright, to use your requirements. Alright guys. Yes. Alright guys. This is the old camera, old laptop. Alright. Here is the model number. Thank you guys. Sorry for my second hand. And I do, this is maybe this is a long video, but I want to make I want to show how I did within first. How I did. I put the instruction font time, and later you have to see the behind this time. Please guys, hit the subscribe button, like, share, please subscribe the channel.